Hi, this is Aaron Moore with GTA House Buyers. We just bought a house in Whitby, so I thought we'd do a quick video walkthrough just to show you an example of the different types of houses we buy. This one needs a fair bit of work put into it. Needs a new roof, new driveway, new windows, new electrical panel. It also has aluminum wiring, so we'll get an ESA certificate to make sure it's up to code and safe for everyone. It needs new kitchen, new bathroom, so come on in, let's take a look.
As we walk around, I'll tell you a bit about how we helped the seller in this situation. The seller was interested in selling the house as is, so the seller contacted us through our website and their house was sold less than 24 hours later. The seller's price was very reasonable and it worked for us. The seller got to choose the closing date. In fact, the seller got everything they asked for. I'm sure it was the quickest and easiest sale the seller had ever experienced. Now, as for this house is in livable condition, but really it's time for a substantial update. You'll see the kitchen, it's old, it's dated, it's missing a few pieces. We're going to gut this kitchen, make it a little more open concept, and make it beautiful. The bathroom upstairs is in good condition. We will probably keep a few of the finishings here, but it will look substantially different after we're done, because we will retile the whole thing and add some nice features. Now the bedroom wall colors are bright and happy, but we'll paint the house a more neutral color so it appeals to more people. Now let's take a walk down to the basement to check out the basement. The basement bathroom, we're going to gut this. You'll see it's pretty old and grimy. The shower's grimy and dirty, just really old. We'll gut this whole basement bathroom. It'll look totally different once we're done. There'll be new flooring in the basement. I do like this fireplace, so this is a bedroom or a rec room. We'll keep the fireplace and some other features, but the rest of the room will look totally different. We'll totally redo it. The rest of the basement has a low ceiling, so it's best for storage. It's also the laundry area and the furnace room. Well, that's the house. If you're thinking of selling a house as is, anywhere in or around Toronto, Ontario, then please contact GTA House Buyers. We buy houses as is, where is, and we'd be happy to give you a fair cash offer on your house. Thank you.